Say hi, Nana.
Hey.
Say hi. You blow kisses to Nana? You blow kisses? Connor, give kiss. Give kisses. You talking?
Oh, good. Where? We're front row. Oh, forget about.
You blow kisses? Blow kisses. You tell your good boy?
Oh, jeez.
Are you giving her a hug? You giving Nana a hug? Hey? Connor, can you blow kisses?
Are you eating too much?
Don't hang up.
Say what?
Where is she? Talk to her. Say hi. Talk to her. Say bye.